Hi, this is Ben Heinrich with my partner Zach Brookshire.
Hi.
We are sitting on a lovely bench in Carmel by the Sea here at the Harrison Memorial Library. And we wanted to give you an idea of some of the locations of some of these benches throughout Carmel by the Sea. There's something about a bench that is inviting, it's evocative, it invites you to sit down and relax and stay a while and enjoy where you are. So we thought this would be fun and we thought you would enjoy it. There's also something very, very important to people about benches, because here at the Harrison Memorial Library, all of these benches have been dedicated to individuals. For example, I'm sitting on a bench dedicated in loving memory of Christopher and Andrew Nielsen. And here we are in loving memory of Arthur and Helen Bragg with a quote, a wonderful quote: "Plant a seed, grow a garden, read a book, grow a mind." There's nothing more appropriate here in this garden at the library. And also in loving memory, Helen and Bo Breck, Mary and John Rickson. So the benches, they almost have a story that they want to tell you. And it's like, please sit down here, linger a bit, and maybe you'll absorb some of the beauty and the quiet and the peacefulness. I also want to acknowledge that these gardens here at the Harrison Memorial Library are taken care of by the Carmel by the Sea Garden Club, and we thank them very much for doing that. So now we're going to move on to our next bench here in Carmel by the Sea. Now we are at the Piccadilly Park on Dolores, just south of Ocean Avenue. It's an interesting story. Back in 1979, this small park used to be a nursery, and two ladies, Carol Stratton and Jean Mitchell, organized the community to have the city purchase this park and preserve it as a city-owned park here in the heart of Carmel by the Sea. It is also a wonderful story that Carol Stratton and Jean Mitchell helped found the Carmel by the Sea Garden Club, which continues to maintain this beautiful park. And it has some of the most beautiful plantings: redwood trees, manzanita, California live oaks, and all the plantings here are done with great intelligence and intention, because they are drought resistant and they are native to this local area. So if you haven't had a chance to just sit back and relax in Piccadilly Park, it's a treasure. So we'll see you at the next bench. Ben and Zach, and we're now on a bench here in Devendorf Park, sitting on a bench dedicated in memory of Russell Galloway. Again, there's just something that is so important to people regarding benches, quiet places, dedications, loving memory to friends and family. Devendorf Park is an example of, in California, back in the day when cities were starting, everybody had a plaza. And it's my understanding that when Frank Powers and Devendorf were developing Carmel, several ladies were very, very adamant and talked them into dedicating some land for a plaza, which became Devendorf Park. And it's just beautiful. It's got sunshine. It has benches located in many, many areas. They're all in areas with beautiful outlooks to the sun. And I'm sitting under an absolutely gorgeous California live oak. So it's very, very special in Carmel by the Sea to remember we have within our small town these quiet places where you can sit on a bench, reflect, and be thoughtful about how grateful we are to live in such a beautiful place. And we give thanks to all those people in the past and currently who have made these beautiful gardens available to our town. There was a very famous quote by Cicero that says, if you have a garden and if you have a library, that's really all you need. And I would add to that, and if you have benches on which to sit and enjoy. So thank you very much, have fun, and Zach and I will see you around town.
Yeah, his mother was English cream and his dad was light gold. Yeah, he's just